YouTube, what's going on? Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Today we are back with a what's in the box for you guys on Polaris's Turbo Turtle. This is their above ground pressure side pool cleaner without the need of a booster pump. So stay tuned. We're going to dive in and show you guys what comes included. All right guys, and we're back. So again, today we got a what's in the box for you guys on Polaris's Turbo Turtle pressure side pool cleaner. So if you guys have seen some of our previous videos, the Vac Sweep 165, the Vac Sweep 65, those are going to be generally the exact same cleaners as this Turbo Turtle. The difference is this one's meant to look like a turtle. So as you guys can tell from the pretty picture here in the front, it looks like a cool little turtle just floating on the top of your water. And I'll get into kind of how it works once I kind of jump in the box. So I went ahead and pre-cut it, make it a little bit easier. So bear with me and I'll open her up. See if I can open it from this direction. So much easier. All right, set that down. All right, so the Turbo Turtle, being a pressure side pool cleaner, comes with a full length hose already attached. So it's going to have all of your swivels on the hoses that are going to help make sure that this thing will ride and glide on the vinyl liner of your above ground pool. So it will have different pieces based off of what the functionality is. So the one I just pulled out right there is going to be your sweep hose. So again, if you're not familiar with how this cleaner works, make sure you guys check out those other videos. But as the turtle will be floating on the top of the water, it generally has another hose that connects to the bottom of the cleaner that runs to the bottom floor of your pool. So depending on the length or the depth of your actual above ground pool will be how you actually cut this first hose that I pulled out. And then you're going to have this bag attached to the bottom of it. So essentially, as that turtle's gliding across the top surface of your pool, this bag is being dragged underneath that's just gently riding on the bottom of your liner to pick up any debris. So it's not going to get all your fine debris, sand, silt, anything like that. It's mostly meant for bigger pieces of debris, your palm fronds, your other leaves, generally anything like that. Some difficulties here with the bag, sorry, lock it in. So as this is being dragged, you can tell it pivots, so it actually will ride with the liner. So then that way you're not running into any issues with it not sitting flat. But you will need to make sure that you cut the hose appropriately. So the user manual will walk you through that, walk you guys on how to cut it right, and so you guys know the proper lengths to do the entire cleaner. So comes with the bag already, nice, complete for you, and it does come with that general bottom hose that attaches to the bottom of the cleaner. And then, of course, you get your entire feed hose that will plug into the top of the cleaner as well as into the skimmer of your above ground pool. So because this one does not require an additional booster pump, it's going to run off of your skimmer. So there are instructions in here for you guys to hook it up to your skimmer, so then that way you guys know how it connects in there and will operate efficiently for you guys. So let's dig in here and grab the, well, first before I grab the turtle, you got your user manual and your warranty information. I tell you guys this in every video and I mean it. You guys definitely want to fill out your warranty information. You guys need to do these things within 30 to 60 days of your physical purchase in order to actually qualify for the warranty. Most warranties are a two-step process. You're dealing with a qualified purchase as well as a qualified installer. So I don't know if Polaris is as open about who they would classify as a qualified installer as some of the other manufacturers are, but typically any kind of licensed business that can get you guys an invoice for the proof of work for you guys on how they actually installed it and charged you and did whatever, that will always qualify as a that portion of your warranty. The other portion, obviously, is making sure that you buy it from an authorized dealer, or that you guys didn't just buy this off of OfferUp or something else, and making sure that it's a legitimate cleaner from an authorized dealer. So read through this. The user manual's in here, the warranty's in here, so this way it'll get you guys the information that you need. Follow the steps, really simple. A lot of fill-in stuff for you guys. So check it out when you guys grab any of their cleaners. It doesn't necessarily need to be these ones, just any cleaner on the market. Always file for that warranty, because you guys never know what could happen in the first few weeks or first few months of getting the cleaner, and the limited warranty is really, really helpful. So All right, so now I get to make my web guy mad and bring up the awesome green turtle. So I'm gonna keep it here in front of me. As you guys can tell, it's this beautiful lime green with the notorious Polaris blue. So if you guys have seen any of their other pressure side pool cleaners, they always have this nice, pretty blue. That's actually a full trademark of them. That's specific to their cleaners. It's really awesome how they get their own color like that. And it makes a lot of the cleaners pop when it's in the pool. So definitely a cool thing that they did there. But here, as you guys can tell, again, this is the actual head of the Turbo Turtle. Get his cute little face looking at you guys here so you guys can see it. Just basically a top cover to a Polaris 165 or a 65, whichever one you may have. Unfortunately, you can't convert those cleaners into the Turbo Turtle. You do have to purchase this one specifically as it is attached. But we will show you guys how to do some more maintenance on this thing in some of our next videos where we actually tear this apart and get inside of it. So realistically, that's pretty much everything that comes in the box. You're going to have a complete cleaner head. You have your full feed hose. You've got your sweep hose as well as the bag, your user manual, your warranty information. All that stuff is crucial to making sure that you get this thing set up in your pool correctly. So stay tuned. Maybe we'll have the opportunity to be able to go install one of these for you guys. But we do have a lot of quick fix videos coming your way, so make sure you guys stay subscribed and stay up to date. So I really appreciate you guys watching. We did a What's in the Box on Polaris's Turbo Turtle. I'm Kyle from ePoolSupply, and we'll see you next time.